Welcome to codersclub.in. In this program, we will see how to increment and decrement a number using JavaScript. So this is the problem statement. Write a JavaScript program which displays the value of a number as 0 initially, then display two buttons, increment and decrement. And when the increment button is clicked, increment the value of the number by 1. And when the decrement button is clicked, decrement the value of the number by 1. So this is the problem statement. So I'll open the Visual Studio Code, and this is the code. First, I will run the program. See, this is increment decrement.html. So initially the value is 0 and we have two buttons, increment and decrement. So when increment button is clicked, the value is incremented by 1. And when the decrement button is pressed, the value is decremented by 1. So let us see how to implement this functionality. So we have a HTML file here which has two portions, that is, one is head portion and another is body portion. We will look into the body portion first, and inside the body we have a form. Form is starting here and form is ending here, and this form we have given a name as increment decrement form. So this is the name of the form, and then here we have a div with an ID of result, and initially we have displayed a 0 there. And dynamically, whenever the increment button is pressed, we are going to display 1, 2, 3, 4 here by using inner HTML. Next, we have two buttons here. One button is called as increment and another button is called as decrement. So whenever the increment button is clicked, we are calling a function called as do increment decrement, and we are passing a parameter here to this function. So this function is capable of both incrementing and decrementing depending upon the parameter. It increments the number or decrements the number. So parameter we are sending here plus, and whenever the decrement button is clicked, we are sending a parameter as minus. And we have a hidden variable here. So type is equal to hidden and name is equal to number. Initially the value is 0. So actually whenever the increment button is clicked, we are going to increment the value of this hidden variable. Okay, so that is what is done. This is the increment decrement function do increment decrement. So we are taking a parameter here called as operator. Next, we are reading the value of the hidden variable, that is document.increment decrement form dot number dot value, and we are declaring a variable called as n. Okay, so we are checking what is the value of the operator. If it is the operator is plus, then we are doing an increment, that is parse int of m plus 1, and we are storing the result in a variable called as n. Otherwise, we are doing parse int of m minus 1. Next, what we are doing is we are displaying the result, that is document.getElement by ID of result dot inner HTML is equal to n. That is the incremented value we are writing to the div actually. And then we should also update the value of the hidden variable. So we are doing it by writing this statement, document dot increment decrement form dot number dot value is equal to n. Okay, and what happens is the value of this hidden variable goes on incrementing or decrementing depending upon which button is clicked. So this is the program. So once again I will run this program. So initially the value is 0. So increment, and then decrement. If this video is useful, please give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel codersclub.in. Thank you.